Hello everyone and welcome to Undiluted Tech. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you find our content valuable. We break down tech so you don't have to. In today's video, we are taking a closer look at the UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Plus, a feature-packed 4-bay NAS that is ready to handle your data like a pro. I mean, you got nothing but to love this thing. This unit is just perfect. It's powered by a 12th gen Intel Pentium Gold processor 8505, which is a 5-core CPU paired with a super fast 8GB DDR5 RAM. And yes, you can expand it all the way up to 64 gigabits, and that is what we are going to be doing today. With that, it is also, or you also get 10 GB and 2.5 GB LAN ports, plus a 4K HDMI output for good measure. Storage maxes out at a massive 136 terabytes, and you're covered by a 2-year warranty. That don't come around too much. So take the 2 years and be happy. But anyways, let's dive in, starting with what's in the box. Inside, you'll find 2 SSD silicon pads, the main NAS unit, a user manual and a warranty card, a power adapter, 2 hard drive tray keys, a screwdriver with screws for installing 2.5-inch or M.2 drives, and finally 2 Ethernet cables to get you connected fast. While we're here, let's take a quick tour around the unit itself. On the back, you'll find an HDMI 4K output, a USB-A port with up to 5 gigabits speeds, 2 USB 2.0 ports, LAN port number 1, which is a blazing 10 gigabits Ethernet port, LAN port number 2, which is a 2.5 gigabits port, and of course, the power port to keep your NAS powered up. On the front, you've got the power button, LED for LAN, and 4 hard drive LEDs for quick status checks, an SSD card slot for quick file transfers, a USB-C port offering up to 10 gigabits of speed, and another USB-A port with 10 gigabit speeds as well. So you're covered with plenty of high-speed connections right out of the box. Now, a quick heads up before powering up this thing. You must first of all install your hard drives and then connect your NAS to your network, and then from there on you can power it up, register your account, and bind your NAS devices to a mobile, PC, tablet, or a laptop. Now let's dive into installing those hard drives we just spoke about. Press the press button to extend the clamp. Place your hard drive in, push the clamp back to lock it in place. Then slide the tray back into the NAS. Push it all the way in, press the lever, and secure it. Repeat for each drive you're installing, then lock the tray again by turning left with the tray key. Now let's move on to adding more RAM, which helps accelerate system response. Make sure the NAS is powered off. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the bottom expansion compartment panel and take it off. You will see the RAM slot. Insert the RAM at an angle aligning the notch. Press gently until it clicks into place and the gold connectors are no longer visible. Replace the panel and tighten the screws. Now after you're done with all that, you can power on the NAS and wait for the LED lights on the front to flash white. This means it's operating normally. But if you're going ahead and install M.2 drives for your caching, then proceed and install the M.2 hard drives while you got the bottom panel open. Your NAS comes with 2 M.2 NVMe slots for high-speed SSDs, which can greatly boost read and write speeds. Again, ensure the device is powered off. Remove the bottom panel to reveal the RAM slot and the M.2 slots. Loosen the M.2 screw. Fixing screws. Insert the M.2 at a slight angle and tighten it back down. For thermal management, peel the plastic film from the thermosilica gel and stick it to the drive. Please do not do what I did in this recording. I ended up having to undo this and do it correctly. Replace the panel, tighten the screw, power on the NAS, and watch for the white LEDs. A word of caution when putting in the silicone. Make sure it's at the top of your SSD slots and not the bottom as I did here. Otherwise, you're going to end up doing the work twice. Now that you're done, plug in your power adapter, connect your Ethernet cable to your router or switch, and make sure everything is on the same LAN. If your NAS is not the same LAN as your other devices, you won't be able to get to it unless you create rules allowing your NAS or other devices to reach your NAS. So let's get this NAS online. If you're on mobile, download the UGREEN NAS app and follow the prompts. In this walkthrough, we'll use a browser. In your favorite browser, visit find.ugnas.com. It will automatically search for your NAS on your LAN, and once you find it, then you'll select Device and hit Connect. Next, name your device and register a local administrator account. You can also register and bind UGREEN account if you like the extra features UGREEN link or quick login that is part optional. I finally decided not to go with that option because I want to keep my data private. I don't want to access anything through the internet or outside my home. Finally, choose automatically install important updates only. This is required. And a device analysis improvement plan is optional. Once that's done, you're ready to use your brand new NAS. And that's it. Your UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Plus is now installed and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching Undiluted Tech, and see you in the next one. I'm gone, y'all.